Hey team, welcome back. Today we are reading passage W, the beach, from the second text in the Simple Comprehension series. The beach seemed to stretch away forever into the distance. The sand was white and the water that lapped against their feet was blue and calm. In the distance there were three tall, rather scary-looking figures. They seemed to be getting closer, although the bright sun made it hard to tell. Just as the holiday makers started to realize the danger, the three figures raised bows into the air and fired arrows towards them. Quickly, the man and woman jumped onto the jet ski and raced away. They promised themselves they would never explore a deserted island again. Questions. Describe the sea. What did the figures do? What is meant by the word tell as it is used in the text? Why didn't the holiday makers realize the danger sooner? Had they expected there to be people on the island? Describe the island using one word from the text. Now let's check the answers. Describe the sea. The sea is described as blue and calm. In the second sentence, what did the figures do? The figures raised bows to the air and fired arrows. What is meant by the word tell as it is used in the text? A few options here. We could say know, understand, discern, work out, or calculate. All good answers. Why didn't the holiday makers realize the danger sooner? A few more options for this answer as well. We could say because the other people were far away and they were hard to work out if they were dangerous or not. Or we could say that the sun was bright. Or they thought that the island was deserted. Possibly all three are good answers put together. Had they expected there to be people on the island? No, they thought that they were exploring a deserted island. Deserted meaning no one lives there. Describe the island using one word from the text. Deserted is probably a good word to go with there. Thank you for your time. How did you go?